Good morning, student. Now, today our topic is hominoids. When did hominoids evolve and what were the main features? Hominoids. These groups include the apes which evolved about 24 Maya millions years ago. This was the subgroup of primates. Now the features. First one is the smaller brain. They have the smaller brains than the hominids. Then the quadrupeds. They were the quadrupeds walking on all fours like the animals. Then the flexible forelimbs. They have the flexible forelimbs. With the help of the flexible forelimbs, they were also doing the some different type of work. Now hominids. Hominids. It is a group of the African apes. It means that they were found in the Africa. Hominid fossils found in the East Africa, especially in the eastern side of Africa, about 5.6 million years ago. Fossils found outside Africa are no longer older than 1.8 million years ago. Now the features of the hominids, they have the large brain, then they have the upright posture. It means that now they were stand in a straight way. Then the bipedal locomotion. It means that they were walk now in this time on their 2 feet. Special hands to make tools. Now the changes were also going on in their hands, and they were also use their hand in a special way and to make the tools. Now the next one is the Australopithecus. Australopithecus word comes from the Latin word austral. Austral means southern, and the Greek word pithecus means Alps. It means the southern Alps. The name was given because this earliest form of the humans still retain many features of an ape. Now the features of the Australopithecus, they have the smaller brain size as compared to the Homo. Now the second feature, they have the large back teeth. It means that their back teeth were too much large. They were intelligent as compared to the monkeys. Now the bipedal, they were the bipedal and upright walking. Now I am telling you about the reason for the extinctions of the Australopithecus. How these Australopithecus were extinct from our Earth surface. Now there is a story behind this one, that Ice Age or the glaciation came into being around 2.5 million years ago. Large part of our earth were covered with snow on that time. It brought major changes in the climate and as well as in the vegetation. It means that a lot of the changes were going on because of the glaciation period. A lot of the changes going on in the climate and the same as it is on in the vegetation on our earth surface. There was a reduction in the temperature, and that's why the forests were reduced. As compared to it, there was an expansion of grassland areas. As we compared it, it led to the gradual extinction in early forms of the Australopithecus because they were adopted to live in the forest. They were replaced by those species which were better adapted to drier conditions. Now, among these were the earliest representatives of the genus Homo. So now, after that, after the Australopithecus, on our Earth surface, a new or the different type of the species appeared on our Earth surface. They were the Homo. Now, next Homo we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.